Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Coral Protocol token. Ticker symbol is Coral. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting May 13th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Coral is the native token of the Coral Protocol, the infrastructure layer for AI agent collaboration. Coral enables agents to communicate, coordinate, and transact across frameworks. Coral powers agent-to-agent payments, session execution, and reputation scoring, fueling a decentralized ecosystem where intelligent agents work together autonomously. There is a total supply of 10 billion Coral tokens. It is on the Solana blockchain. You can find it on Solscan. And it was just announced that this token will be listed May 13th at 10 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Coral, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. At Coral_protocol is the Twitter. I'm going to put it in the corner of the screen there. They have a link to their webpage right there, coralprotocol.org. Gold verified checkmark, 166 tweets. Pretty active on the socials there. So Coral Protocol, the decentralized protocol powering AI agent collaboration, trust, and payments, laying the foundation for safe AGI. Now, what is Coral Protocol? It's a decentralized coordination infrastructure designed to enable collaboration between intelligent, modular AI agents. It provides a shared communication layer and protocol standard that allows independently developed agents to register, advertise. There's capabilities that form structured message threads and participate in secure multi-agent workflows. As the field of agent-based systems advance, existing frameworks often operate in silos with limited support for interoperability, context sharing, or tool composition. Coral addresses this gap by introducing a system-wide protocol that supports structured agent-to-agent and agent-to-human communication, scoped memory and shared context within communication threads, dynamic team formation and role-based task delegation, secure invocation of external tools and services. And Coral is a protocol-first design that enables composable collaboration among agents regardless of the frameworks or languages that they are built in. By providing agents with a common sense structure for communication, memory, identity, and capability exposure, Coral unlocks the potential of large-scale agent ecosystems. Coral is designed to be open, extensible, and decentralized. Developers can self-host Coral services, onboard custom agents through Coralizers, and participate in a growing ecosystem of interoperable services. In essence, Coral acts as the foundation infrastructure for the Internet of Agents, a shared layer where intelligent systems can reason, coordinate, and execute together. Why Coral, as agent ecosystems continue to grow in complexity, multiple interoperability protocols have emerged to address the challenges of communication, coordination, and tool access among autonomous AI agents. These include Google's Agent-to-Agent Protocol, OpenAgent's Agent Network Protocol, the AGNT-CY initiative backed by players like LangChain, Cisco, and others. While these protocols each address specific parts of the problem space, Coral Protocol proposes a broader and more cohesive framework, one that aims to address both agent-level and system-level coordination challenges in distributed environments. Now, the existing protocols, there's the A2A, ANP, and AGNTCY. So, Coral Protocol is not positioned as a messaging layer alone. It introduces an infrastructure-level approach that encompasses agent discovery and registration, context-aware communication via structured threads, memory management with defined scopes, so private, shared, session-based, tool invocation and capability exposure through a standardized interface, and coordination services for multi-agent workflows and shared tasks. The goal is to provide a coherent foundation for building systems where agents can reason, delegate, and collaborate across diverse environments. Now, the key areas of differentiation, there's integrated coordination model. So Coral includes mechanisms for defining agent roles, structuring task threads, and managing participation in collaborative workflows. There's also memory isolation and context sharing. So thread-based context models in Coral allow agents to access or share a memory with clear boundaries. They have standardized tool access, so agents declare and invoke tools in common format, making them discoverable and composable, and this enables more predictable delegation and division of labor across agents. Support for system-level services, so interaction, mediation, payments, and workflow governance are part of the protocol itself, not left to application logic, and this promotes trust, auditability, and clarity in agent interactions. And lastly, open development and extensibility. Coral supports decentralized infrastructure and is modular by design. So in summary, Coral Protocol is an open coordination framework for agent systems. It focuses on enabling safe, modular, and extensible coordination between agents through a shared standards and decentralized infrastructure. So go check this project out. Coralprotocol.org is the webpage. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about the Coral token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.